Hi there, I'm so glad to have you in my English grammar lecture. Today we will learn about that how to change parts of speech to sentences, to phrases or to clauses. This is very important topic and this is a new techniques and new things that how to change parts of speech into phrases, into clauses and into sentences. So our today topic is about only the interjection. Interjections, as you know that interjection is a parts of speech. It shows feelings, and these feelings have in three categorizations. For example, the happiness and excitement, the sadness and sorrow, the wonder and amazing things. So these feelings, we can change these feelings into exclamatory sentences. How we can change? Let's learn. First of all, we should make clear that what is interjection. As we learned this one, that interjection shows feeling and strong feelings. These are some feelings, as you can see here, like happiness and exciting. And the interjection words is like aha, hooray, like these. And sadness and sorrow mean oh, oh, ouch, like these, oh my god, and then wonder and surprising things, wow, what are and how are. These two things just show like that what are and how are is interjections to show the wonders over there. Then come to the point that how to change interjection to exclamatory sentences, as the definition is same, that the exclamatory sentences express feelings or emotions. So seen is a definition in interjection. When you want to just teach this in your class, you have two concepts to make them understand and make them very easy, that how to remember these things in one lecture: interjection and exclamatory sentences. This is a journey to change interjection to exclamatory sentences. So at the end of this one, we have exclamation marks. So in happiness and in sadness and in greetings and compliments, we use the exclamation marks, and even though in surprising things. For example, the in happiness, the first thing is that our group project was successful. We use at the end of the sentence as exclamation marks over there to make this sentence exclamatory, because in this sentence there is a happy feeling and exciting feelings. Then the point is like, aha, I have won the competition. This one is also a feelings, and in here like aha is a interjection word. After interjections, we have to use the exclamation over here. Then the sentence is here that hooray, we got it. When we lost something and after some struggle, and like this one is a great struggles, and with the feeling of anxiety and fear over there to lost the thing. But after some time, when we just find it, we just utter these words that hooray, we got it. We got it this one. And this is very exciting feelings in our talk when we are going to just show off that we are very happy. Then come to the point is sadness, and in sadness there are like sorrow and sadness, both are the same. And like, oh, Ahmed failed in exams, that's very bad, that's not good, that's very very bad. We just use these phrases. And like this one is, alas, I lost my wallet, as we just have the happiness after finding it, and like after lost something, we have the feelings, alas, I lost my wallet, oh my god, I lost it. Like these are the feelings. And here is like a, oh my god and ouch. Oh my god, mostly the male gender use oh my god, and the female gender it uses like ouch on the feeling of being something. And then the come to the word is here like wondrous and surprising, mean these two tab show that the surprising feelings. For example, if we see a big tree and ever seen in our life, so we can say that what a big tree is it, what a beautiful bird is it. And how a strange thing is this. This one is also a surprising. And after this one, there is a new changings here, like in exclamatory sentences. When we greet someone, this is also like a feelings. I mean, we say something with happiness, we say something with sadness, we say something with the tiredness. These all are the feelings. And there is a compliments, when we just give the compliment so that it looks awesome, it looks lovely, it looks very lovely. These all are the feelings, like as a compliments we can say these all are the feelings. So in conclusions, I would like to say that the feelings, any type of feelings, is called interjection, is called exclamatory sentences. Feelings call interjections and the words. And when we use these words into sentences, this is called like exclamatory sentences. For example, if we are walking on the road and suddenly we stubborn, we just uttered it, oh my God, like with the pain. And if we are just going to other somewheres and we hit with some wall, we hit with some other things, so the utterances over there is totally called its interjection. So this is about today lectures, and inshallah we will again have a good lectures over there on parts of speech to phrases and clauses, inshallah. Thank you so much for watching this one.